Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a test order on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify account and I am in admin mode. And then down here in settings, I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to go down to payments. From here, if you had not activated Shopify payments, then go ahead and activate it. And then just click payments to go back. And then now there's a little manage button right there. Click on that. From here, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And here where it says test mode, I'm going to click enable test mode. And it just says that all orders in test mode are simulated. So I'm going to hit save. Takes a little bit to load, but it just finished up. So I'm going to go back up to the top. And right here, I'm going to make sure all these boxes are unselected. That just helps clean up the process when we are checking out. So up here, test mode is on. That's good. So now we know that all payments are simulated. I'm going to go back to my home page, and where it says online store, I'm going to hit that eyeball button. That brings up my online store. And here, I'm just going to go through the checkout process, add a random item to the cart, and check out. Right here, I just put my testing email, and then in the shipping section, I'm just going to make up some bogus shipping information. Doesn't really matter what shipping address you choose. This is just a test order. So once that's filled in, we're going to continue to shipping information, and here, just click a random one. And for the credit card information, I'm just using a bogus credit card number. This is a good test number that you can use as well. Just make sure it's all 4 2s repeated. Make sure there's 2 names, any expiration date that's in the future, and any 3-digit security code. Right, then I'm going to hit pay now. And it is processing my payment. All right, it went through. So now I'm going to head back over to my editing page, and I'm going to go down to orders. And after refreshing the page, you can see that I have the order that I just made here. I'm going to click on that. And right up at the top, it lets you know in big bold letters, this is a test order. And down at the bottom of the page, you can also see some specifics of the order. So if you need to make a test order on your Shopify store, this is how you do it.